Industrial Revolution 4.0 has brought us in the era where you and I can make anything we want. Wondering how? This is now possible through the magic of 3D printers, a compact machine that can fit anywhere and is being used to make industrial parts, actual size cars, human body organs, and wholly 3D printed houses, that too just in few days, changing the course of future. What does that mean for you? It means having a certification in 3D printing can give you multiple job opportunities and the edge you need to fast forward your career. AIC-RNTU is here to help you achieve that with its specialized 7-day 3D printing training program in which you will learn the in and out of 3D printing technology. Like how 3D printing works, how different industries are benefiting from it, and how you can benefit from it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link to register yourself for the course now.